my God. Ang lamig. So malamig nga dito sa Japan, nakakaloka. Kung naiinitan ako kanina sa eroplano, ngayon, para tayo naka-aircon. So, good luck. Good luck sa suot natin. Good luck! Good morning! Welcome to Narita International. Narita Airport. Welcome to Narita Airport, Japan. Narita. Ohayou gozaimasu. So, syempre, di ba? Bongacious. Kailangan bongacious tayo. Yan. Welcome. So guys, I told you, very useful ang BOQ card certification. Kasi iba pumipila pa silang ganon. Ang daming pumipila. Let's go! There you go. Tapos na sa immigration. And baggage pickup na tayo. Oh, where do we pick our baggage? Ayan. So guys, we now have our luggage. So, dadaan natin ng customs. Customs. And of course, that is my outfit for today. It's a beautiful day in Japan. And I love it. It's cold and it's hot at the same time. Hmm. 8 days. 50 gigabyte. Ano kaya ito? 8 days, 4,000 yen. 16 days. tayo ng SIM card. So, let's buy our SIM card. Ayan, nakabili na tayo ng SIM card at ilalagay na natin sa phone. Diba? Diyan lang natin ilagay yung pera. Ito binili na natin. 5 days unlimited. Pwede naman tayo bumili ulit ng bagong SIM. Mga SIM card to ng turista. So we'll see you later guys. Bye! Hi guys! Of course, we are here now sa train station. Nasa baba lang siya ng airport. There you go. You see? So, magta-take na tayo ng train papunta sa Tokyo City. Good luck. Inantok na ako. Wala pang tulog. Ang lamig. See you later guys! So, meron tayong extra phone na gagamitin dito. At tingnan natin kung ano laman ng box. Oh, there you go. You have instruction and your SIM card and blah blah blah. Wala pala number to. Pang data lang siya. Okay, so lagay na natin. Yay, there you go. Ano to? Ayan, so may instructions tayong kailangan gawin. Walang number yung device. Pang wifi lang siya for tourists. So, gawin na natin. So, after ko sundin lahat ng instructions, guys, eto na, meron na tayong network signal. Diba? 3G. Bongga. So, magagamit na natin tong phone natin dito sa Japan. Hindi na tayo mawawala. Pwede na tayong lumakwatch at gumala. Okay, pwede na ako sumakay ng train kasi ayokong mawala sa train tas hindi ko alam kung nasan na ako. At least I can use Google. Tas unlimited yung SIM card nating binili. Unlimited yung data. Mga 5 days siya unlimited. So magagamit natin siya. Okay. See you later guys. Bye-bye. Ang importante, meron kang data. Hindi ka mawawala. You can connect your phone. And you can search your location. You can Google your location. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Ayan. See? You can use maps. So there you nasa airport, there you go, nasa airport pa rin tayo. So, see you guys. Bye-bye! So, ayan guys. Bumili tayo ng ticket sa ticket booth. And now, we're going to take the train. Narita Sky Access. So, good luck guys. Good luck with the train ride. Ayan na yung train. My gosh. Train arriving.
Will be arriving at AS37. The next stop is Aoto, KS9. Please transfer to Oshiage, the Toei Osaka line, and the Keiji line. The stop now.
So we're here malapit sa Grand Duo Station. Ayan na. Bongga. Bongga dito. So cool. Japan. Welcome to Ota City. I'm just here.